Today, as you know, we discussed Libya. We heard a very detailed briefing from Mr. Martin and had consultations on this issue. Of course, broad range of subjects was raised by Mr. Martin in his briefing and also in the comments of members of the Council. In my national capacity as a Russian permanent representative, I can tell you that we did raise the need for UN investigation, or under the aegis of the United Nations, special investigation for the civilian casualties inflicted by NATO bombing campaign. There was another delegation which made the same kind of request, and were supported by some other delegations of the Council. As you can imagine, there was a certain exchange of views on this issue. Some members of the Council were making the point that this matter is already covered by the Committee of Investigation set up by the Human Rights Council, and also is something which is within the purview of ICC. In our view, it does require a special focus. It is not an issue which should take years to look into, as the work of ICC might, for instance. And we do need to have reporting to the Security Council on this subject, given the fact that initially we were led to believe by NATO leaders that there is a zero civilian casualty outcome of their bombing campaign. As you know, there is a big controversy among the members of the Council about whether or not 1973 was implemented properly, with Russia and some other members of the Council arguing that it was not, that it was exceeded by the NATO campaign. But the matter of civilian casualties, we believe, is particularly, from the bombing campaign, is particularly important because we need to have a serious analysis. We have heard NATO claim that they believe that their operation is kind of a standard which should be followed in the future. And there was too much propaganda about NATO statements of the conduct of that operation. And we try to use it in an analytical way, if you will. Of course, there was no conclusion to that discussion. We agreed that, we said, the Russian delegation at least said, that we are going to continue to pursue this matter. Some members of the Security Council expressed an interest in hearing from that Commission of Inquiry set up by the Human Rights Council. So this is something which we believe we need to keep tracking. Well, some members of the Council, I can share with you, thought that somehow it was a diversion from Syria, coming from us asking why we're not discussing Syria. I gave a very simple response, because today we are discussing Libya. It is on our agenda, so it's a matter coming out of the situation in Libya. So this is where it stands now.